Before leaving us today, please check about your seat area for any articles you may have brought on board with you, and please use caution when opening the overhead bins, as items may have shifted throughout the flight and may fall out once those bins are open. You may use your cell phone at this time as long as it can be reached from a seated and belted position, and please continue to refrain from smoking until you're well within a designated smoking area. Please watch your step as you depart the aircraft today as there's a slight floor level change out to jet bridge. If you have any checked items such as a stroller or a car seat, please allow our ground staff a few minutes to retrieve your articles and bring them up to the jet bridge. They can be found outside of the aircraft door. If Honolulu is your final destination and you have any checked-in luggage, your luggage can be claimed at the Hawaiian Airlines baggage carousel at the ground level terminal. And for those passengers in the connecting flights, please check the TV monitors on the terminal for your new gate assignments. And lastly, for those passengers who have requested wheelchair assistance today, we do kindly ask that you remain seated until the main flow of passengers have disembarked the aircraft that are boarders and flights and may better assist you. And before we leave aloha, I'd like to share with you our new and exclusive offer for our flight guests only. Thank you, Barclays and Hawaiian Airlines. I'd like to introduce our Hawaiian Airlines Roadly MasterCard. With our newest in-flight application, you will earn 70,000 bonus Hawaiian miles just after your very first purchase of any dollar amount. And to give you an idea of what those 70,000 miles can get you, you can use them for up to 5 free round-trip inter-island flights, up to 2 free round-trip tickets to the west coast in Hawaii, or 1 free round ticket from Hawaii to the east coast. Hawaiian Airlines does fly internationally as well. However, if there are any destinations that Hawaiian Airlines does not fly to, you can use your miles on our code-share partners. Feel free to take an application for yourself, or for any family members or friends that already have a card. And on behalf of all the employees here at Hawaiian Airlines, most especially the flight crew, and to wish our aloha and mahalo. Have a great day, stay safe, and thank you for choosing to fly.